Hello and welcome everyone. Today the title of our video is about how you can use Skyscanner website for finding out the cheap flights in 2025. So this video is going to be very interesting and it's going to save your a lot of hard-earned money. So let's get into it. First of all, I will go for the Skyscanner website. Okay, so I've just opened this website. So here you will write the destination from and to. Let's suppose I write it here, this city in my. So here you will add a add date for the departure. If you want to get cheap flights, so instead of adding a fixed date, make sure to add flexible date so that let's suppose for the September. Okay, I have selected September, and for the return I will select October. Okay, so we have added from to and depart and return. Okay, so I will just click here and then I will go search. Okay, and I will just write this detail as one. Let's keep it none. So let's search for it, and it will now search the flight and the flights where that we are going to get all the flight rates. So here you will see these are the dates for the 1st and the 25th September, and let's see, these are the our details that we have already put, and let's click on find flights. So after clicking on the find flight, you will get this kind of interface, and here are the prices that has been mentioned over there for all kind of the flights, best, cheapest and fastest. Okay, with the dates as well. As you can see, that it's costing like 61 and it's like 65. So these are the detail, like you can see from here, and you can select the best one which suits you. I hope you have get an idea how you can use Skyscanner website for finding out the cheap flights. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.